I have the March P.Louise Manifest Under the Moon monthly budget box. So if you want to see what's inside this month's theme, then stay tuned. Hi and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. Chloe, Bandit, Dexter, they're all in another room, so it's just me today. But if you're new, welcome. Thanks so much for checking us out. We do all kinds of unboxings, unbaggings, get ready with me's, beauty, fashion, all kinds of fun stuff. So if you're into that kind of thing, please consider hitting the subscribe button. It's totally free. And if you're returning, thank you so much for being a part of our YouTube family. So this is the P.Louise Budget Box. It is a monthly subscription. It is $40, but with taxes, shipping, tariffs, I believe I pay about $57 for it. But what I like is like every month you're getting different kinds of stuff because she does skincare, she does makeup. So there's lots of kind of like fun little things. So last month was, February was a bunny themed, kind of Eastery themed, if you're into that. And if not, it was just a bunny themed. Eyeshadow palette, lippies, and bronzing drops. So let's see what we have in this month's. So in order to open it, you kind of have to pull, you don't kind of have to, you actually have to pull this little pull tab. Now I do like that it comes in a mailer like this, so there's no extra cardboard, because all that extra is going to charge you extra in shipping. And then inside, everything is nestled inside of its own little space. Now other subscription companies should take notice, because when it's like this, the chances that it's going to be damaged are very minimal, because nothing's shaking around or moving around. It's all in here, nice and cozy, snug. And because it's coming from the UK, it's great that it's sitting here nice and cozy and snug, because who knows what it goes through to get here. All right, so where to start? I'm going to start with this top one, which says Bath and Believe. And this is some bath oils. It's a set of 3. And I'm going to need my glasses for this. We have Rainbow Sherbet, ooh, Cherry Bubblegum, and Turkish Delight. Now, all of P.Louise's products are all cruelty-free, so we love that. She is a female entrepreneur who started this line, and we love that too. It's not to say we don't love male entrepreneurs, but we particularly love to see young women. I mean, she's not somebody who's been around in the business for like 40, 50 years. She's young and has built this whole company. So excited, because I've loved everything. All right, so here are our 3 bath oils. So yes, they're small, but you're getting 3 of them, which would probably equal one nice size one. They are each 30 milliliters or 1 ounce, so you're getting 3 ounces in total. Let's smell them now. So this one is the Rainbow Sherbet, and it has this little, this is a flip top, so ooh, oh, that smells really nice. Let me just get a little bit. Oh, that's delicious. I won't see any of this. Chloe's going to like find it. She will sniff it out like a truffle pig sniffling out truffles. She will know that I have some good stuff. She will wander in here towards the end and be like, Mom, what you got? You got something good in here? And then it becomes hers. But she takes more baths than I do. Okay, this one is the Cherry Bubblegum. Oh, it smells like bubble gum. It smells so good. Ooh, I like this one even better. All right, and they all look alike, but just in case you wanted to get a better look. And then this last one is the, what was that? Turkish Delight. Now, fun story, we once tried Turkish Delight, and I was a huge fan of the Narnia series. And in the very first one, or the very first one that I read, The Lion, the Witch, and the Wardrobe, right? The kid gives up his entire family for some Turkish Delight. So I was like, I gotta try this. This has got to be wonderful. So a family member went to Ireland and brought back some Turkish Delight. Yeah, I don't know. It was Ireland. I don't know why. I think they got it in the airport, but still. And it was rose flavored. That was the most disgusting stuff. I was like, if you gave up your entire family for this, I wouldn't. It was terrible. But this smells quite nice though. I mean, in a bath oil, I'm sure it would be fine, but oh, it smells like sugar candy is what it smells like. Like a sweet tart might smell. That's delicious though. But yeah, so that just put us off of Turkish Delight. Even other flavors, we really haven't. We did get, I think, Turkish Delight one other time in a subscription box, and we didn't care for that. And it wasn't rose either, but we didn't care for it. Okay, next, her lip drips. So these are one of her like major products, and this is the Rainbow Sherbet Lip Gloss. So I actually have on the chocolate covered strawberry from my last box. The packaging is always so adorable. So this is the type like this. What I have on is the actual gloss that comes with like the little crown. There's not one in here, so. But these are great because you can clip them, boom, right to your bag, your backpack, whatever it is. So you don't lose it, clip it to your keys. And so this is clear, but it's got like a little bit of a glitter in there. And this is in Rainbow Sherbet. So it's clear, but it's got like some pink sparkle in there. So I really, really am into that. And it almost looks like it's a little bit color changing to me, at least in this light. Next we have the Mask Believe Receive in Rainbow Sherbet. It is an overnight wrapping mask. I have no idea what that is. I've never heard of such a thing. I've heard of overnight masks. This says it's going to firm and lift. It has adenosine and, okay, I'm not sure what that, Acacia Sayal gum extract that work together to promote skin elasticity and provide an instant gentle tightening effect, helping to visibly firm and sculpt the complexion. It strengthens the skin barriers. It has a ceramide complexion that supports the skin's natural protective barrier, helping to reduce moisture loss, improving resilience, and calm signs of irritation. Deeply nourish and revitalizes. Brown seaweed extract delivers essential marine minerals and nutrients that replenish and strengthen the skin, leaving it feeling smoother, more supple, and well-nourished. And then soothes and restores radiance. Yellow chrysanthemum extract helps comfort redness, support healthy blood flow, and revive tired or stressed skin for a balanced, refreshed glow. And oh, okay. All right. So this is one of those peel off masks. So you're going to leave it on until it dries and you're going to peel it off. And then I guess it kind of does its work overnight. So you don't leave it on overnight. You're going to peel it off. But it comes with a little spatula. And here's how it looks. Look at how pretty. So it's just a clear, it's in Rainbow Sherbet. It's just a clear gel. Her products just smell fantastic. I am addicted to her face scrub. Not scrub, it's face cleanser, but it has like a little scrubby heart-shaped brush on it, so you can really get a nice scrub and it foams. All right, so we're gonna rub that in, and then by the time we're done, hopefully it has solidified enough to pull it off. Next, we have the Miracle Melt Shimmer Makeup Melter in Rainbow Sherbet. So most of the scents in here are that rainbow sherbet. I had a really tough time getting into it. I had to poke it with scissors. So that's what those are. That's from the scissors that I had to poke in there to get it. So this is a nice balm. Love that. So it rubs in clear. It's just going to clean off that makeup, but it feels really nice, like very smoothing, very soft. And it smells amazing. And I love these kinds of things for makeup removal. So I am excited for this. I'm almost done with the one that I'm using now, which is from a different brand. I got it from Ipsy. So I'll be using that one next. And one last product in here, and this is makeup. So those of you who have said, hey, this is P.Louise and we're not getting any makeup, we do. This is the Aura Shift, and it's a baked highlighter palette. And listen, they don't skimp on packaging over there. This here, look at that. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and remove the plastic and show it to you kind of upside down. Then we're going to check out each one. And I'm going to start with this one and go across with 1, 2, and 3. All right, so the first one is here. And then there's the second, and there is the third. So remember, these are highlighters. They're not supposed to be super bright. I put them on, extra so you can see it. But they're still nice. I mean, that pink is lighter than I thought. It's really, this one is the one that's kind of shining through the most. So for an everyday, I'd go with the pink. But for like a special time out, I'd go with that white one because that's going to give me the most glow. But, you know, depending upon how much glow you want, you can certainly do a little bit less. So let me just go in between with that pink one in the center and just put a little bit on. All right, that's some glow. I put it on my finger though, so it's definitely going to be a lot darker than when you're using a brush. But yeah, there's some nice glow to that. So tell me your thoughts, you guys. I'm loving this subscription. This is only month number 2. And again, knocked it out of the park. I'm excited about every product, like more excited than I've been about some of the other subscription boxes I've gotten of late. You know, there's things that have kind of gone to the wayside, not because I didn't like them, but because I just wasn't as excited as I had been when I first got it because of an overabundance. So like Ice Cream Beauty, I always loved that. But I have so many palettes that I've been wanting to try different things. Now, do I have a lot of skincare? I do. I have so much skincare, but I also give so much skincare away too. So I love trying new brands and new things. So excited because there's such a variety of things that you get in here. And I think, you know, that's to me what a subscription box experience should be about. You should be excited to get it in. You should be looking forward to it. You should be like, hey, it's whatever of the month. That box should be coming in soon. I still feel that way about FabFitFun, even though I've chosen everything in there. This, I don't know what I'm getting unless I've seen the spoilers. But there are certain subscriptions I'm still in love with. Ipsy, I'm still excited every time it comes in because I just am excited to try some of the different products in there. And I like the variety. So, you know, I think that's what subscription box should be about. If you find something you love, that's the box for you. All right, well, thank you so much for spending a little time with me. Please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell. Interact. If you like this, the more interaction I get, the more it gets pushed out to other people. Again, I do this out of my love for it. I don't get paid. I'm not monetized yet. You may see, oh, you've got a good sub number, you must be monetized. I'm not. So I'm just doing this for the love of what I'm doing and sharing it with you guys. So hopefully you guys are loving that too. Let me know in the comments, and hopefully I'll see you soon.